Hello students, you have already studied 4 lessons. First 4 lessons, that is periodic table and periodic properties, chemical bonding, acids, bases and salts, and analytical chemistry. Today you will study about 5th lesson, that is mole concept and stoichiometry. First of all, some important terms used in this lesson means mole concept and stoichiometry. These are, first is atom. This is a well-known term. The smallest particle of an element which take part in chemical reactions called atom. It may or may not exist independently. Most of the atoms cannot exist independently. They are always exist in combined form, that is in the form of molecules. But atoms of noble gases, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, these atoms can exist independently. These are monatomic gases. Next one is molecule. The smallest ultimate particle of a substance which can exist freely. Molecule of any substance can exist freely. For example, molecule of hydrogen H2 can exist freely. Molecule of water H2O exists freely. All the molecules of a substance can exist freely. It means molecules are the smallest particle of substance which can exist freely. Next one is atomicity. Atomicity means how many number of atoms present in one molecule of the substance. For example, hydrogen is a diatomic molecule. It is written as H2, so its atomicity is 2. Oxygen, O2, its atomicity is 2 because it consists of 2 atoms of oxygen. Chlorine, it is also a diatomic molecule and its atomicity is 2 because it contains 2 chlorine atoms, Cl2. Ammonia is a molecule which is written as NH3. In case of NH3, there are 4 atoms. 1 atom of nitrogen and 3 atoms of hydrogen. So ammonia is tetraatomic molecule and its atomicity is 4. Methane, CH4, 1 atom of carbon and 4 atom of hydrogen. Total number of atom is 5. So its atomicity is 5. PCl5, 1 atom is phosphorus and 5 atom of chlorine. Total 6 atoms. Atomicity of PCl5 is 6. IF7, 1 atom is of iodine and 7 atom of fluorine. Total 8 atom. It means atomicity of IF7 is 8. This is the meaning of atomicity. Atomicity means number of atoms present in one molecule of a substance. Water H2O, its atomicity is 3. H2O, 2 atom of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Mole is SI unit of amount of substance. In case of SI system, it is the SI unit of amount of substance and it represents certain mass of a substance, certain number of particles of a substance, and it is defined as the amount of substance which consists of same number of particles as the number of atom in 12 grams of C12. C12 is the most stable isotope of carbon. It is taken as standard of mass, means standard unit of mass, and all the molecular masses or atomic masses compared with mass of carbon. That's why the number of amount of substance which consists of same number of particles as the number of atom in 12 gram of C12, means total number of carbon atom present in 12 grams of carbon is known as 1 mole. In 12 grams of carbon, total number of carbon atom is equal to 6.023 to 10 power 23. This is the value of 1 mole. It means this is called Avogadro constant. Avogadro constant represents total number of particles present in 12 grams of carbon, or total number of carbon atom present in 12 gram of carbon. It means 12 grams of C12 isotope contains 6.023 to 10 power 23 carbon atom whose mass is equal to 12 gram. It means 12 gram carbon atom contains 6.023 to 10 power 23 carbon atoms. In other words, total mass of 6.023 to 10 power 23 carbon atom is equal to 12 gram. Now we take other example: hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, water, carbon dioxide, other substances. The meaning of 1 mole with respect to hydrogen. One mole hydrogen. 1 mole hydrogen means how many hydrogen atoms? It is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 hydrogen. In case of hydrogen atom, 6.023 to 10 power 23 hydrogen atom is called 1 mole of hydrogen. Similarly, 1 mole hydrogen molecule, this is hydrogen atom and this is hydrogen molecule. It means 6.023 to 10 power 23 H2 molecules. 1 mole hydrogen molecule means Avogadro number of hydrogen molecules. 1 mole hydrogen atom means Avogadro number of hydrogen atom, whose mass is equal to, its mass is equal to 1 gram, or exactly 1.008 gram. Means total mass of 6.023 to 10 power 23 hydrogen atom is equal to 1.008 gram. This is the molecular mass, atomic mass of hydrogen. Similarly, total mass of Avogadro number of hydrogen molecule is equal to 2.016 gram. Means Avogadro number of hydrogen molecule weight is equal to 2.016 gram. It means this amount of hydrogen gas contains Avogadro number of hydrogen molecules. Similarly, 6.1.008 grams of hydrogen atom contains Avogadro number of hydrogen atom. With the help of this equation, means this concept, you can calculate actual mass of an atom or a molecule. For example, mass of Avogadro number of hydrogen atom is equal to this much. So what is the mass of one atom of hydrogen? It means mass of one hydrogen atom, actual mass. This is equal to gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass means 1.008 gram. This is the gram atomic mass of hydrogen divided by Avogadro number Na. With the help of this formula, you can calculate actual mass of one hydrogen atom. For any of the substance, mass of one atom can be calculated with the help of this formula. Means gram atomic mass of that substance divided by Avogadro number, because mass of Avogadro number is equal to gram atomic mass. This is gram atomic mass of hydrogen. So what is the mass of one atom? This is gram atomic mass by Avogadro number. Similarly, actual mass of hydrogen atom, one hydrogen molecule. Actual mass of one hydrogen molecule equal to gram molecular mass, GMM, gram molecular mass. This is the gram molecular mass of hydrogen divided by Avogadro number. This is the formula used to calculate actual mass of one atom or one molecule or any of the substance. For example, mass of one atom of chlorine. Mass of one atom of chlorine equal to gram atomic mass of chlorine divided by Avogadro number. Mass of one molecule of water. Gram molecular mass of water means 18 gram. Gram molecular mass of water divided by Avogadro number. So with the help of mole concept and Avogadro number, one can calculate actual mass of one atom or one molecule of any other substance. Now the next term is Avogadro constant. Avogadro constant. What is Avogadro constant or Avogadro number? Actually, this number represents total number of carbon atom present in 12 gram of C12 isotope, and it is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23. This number is called Avogadro number or Avogadro constant. The number of atom present in 12 gram of C12 is called Avogadro number or Avogadro constant. It is denoted by Na and its value is equal to 6.023 to 10 power 23. Now the next term, STP or NTP. Although STP and NTP both are different, however, in actual practice, both are considered as same. Means STP or NTP. STP or NTP is equal to 0 degree Celsius. Actually, NTP is 25 degrees Celsius. This is normal temperature. Means 298 Kelvin. NTP means 298 Kelvin temperature and 1 atm pressure. is the actual value of NTP and exact value of STP. STP means 273 Kelvin temperature and 1 atmospheric pressure or 76 centimeter Hg pressure or 760 means 760 mm Hg pressure is called STP. Next term is molar volume. Molar volume, this term is mainly used for expressing the volume of gaseous substance, and it is the volume occupied by 1 mole of a gas at STP. STP means temperature is 273 Kelvin or 0 degrees Celsius and pressure 1 atmospheric pressure or 760 mm. At this condition, volume occupied by 1 mole. 1 mole means how many molecules or atoms of a gas? 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of gas. This is 1 mole of gas. 1 mole of gas means this number of molecules of gas. If the gas is monatomic, this number of atoms of gas. Volume occupied by 1 mole of the gas at STP is known as molar volume, and its value is 22.4 liter or 22.4 deciliter cube or 22,400 milliliter at STP. For example, molar volume of hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, ammonia. These are some gases. What is the meaning of molar volume of hydrogen? Molar volume of hydrogen means volume of 6.023 into 10 power 23 H2 molecules at STP, and this is equal to 22.4 liter. Okay. Similarly, molar volume of nitrogen gas, it means volume of Avogadro number of nitrogen molecule at STP is equal to 22.4 liter. Similarly, molar volume of oxygen means volume of Avogadro number of oxygen molecule at STP equal to 22.4 liter. Molar volume of chlorine, volume of Avogadro number of chlorine molecule at STP equal to 22.4 liter. Molar volume of ammonia means volume of Avogadro number of ammonia molecule at STP is equal to 22.4 liter. This is the meaning of molar volume of a gas. Means volume occupied by 1 mole of gas at STP and 1 mole of any substance contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 number of atoms, ions, molecules or any of the particles. It also explains total mass and volume relation. Means mass of Avogadro number of hydrogen molecule is 2 grams. It means volume of of 2 gram hydrogen molecule at STP equal to 22.4 liter. Volume of 2 gram of hydrogen molecule at STP equal to 22.4 liter. Molecular mass of nitrogen is 28 gram. This is the gram molecular mass of nitrogen. So what is the volume of 28 grams of nitrogen at STP? This is equal to 22.4 liter. Molar mass of oxygen equal to 32. It means total volume of 32 grams of oxygen at STP equal to 22.4 liter. Molecular mass of chlorine is 71. It means total volume of 71 gram of chlorine gas at STP equal to 22.4 liter. Mass of ammonia, molecular mass of ammonia equal to 70. 14 plus 3, 70. It means 70 gram of ammonia occupying 22.4 liter volume at STP. This is the meaning of molar volume and mole concept. With the help of this formula, this relationship, one can calculate the actual mass of one molecule. It means, or actual volume of one molecule. It means volume of 2 gram of hydrogen equal to 22.4 liter, or volume of Avogadro number of hydrogen atom equal to 22.4 liter. That is why volume of one molecule equal to molar volume by Avogadro number. Molar volume by Avogadro number. This is the formula used to calculate volume of one molecule of any gas. For example, volume of one molecule of oxygen equal to molar volume divided by Avogadro number. This is because Avogadro number of molecules occupy 22.4 liter volume at STP. It means it's one volume, one molecule occupying how many liter, means molar volume by Avogadro number. Now the molar mass. Molar mass of Avogadro number of molecules. Mass of Avogadro number of molecules of any substance is called molar mass. For example, molar mass of H2 equal to 2 gram. It means mass of Avogadro number of H2 molecule equal to 2 gram. This is molecular mass of hydrogen. Molar mass of H2O equal to 18 gram. It means Avogadro number of water molecule equal to 18 gram. Avogadro number of water molecule equal to 18 gram. Molar mass of chlorine equal to 71 gram. It means Avogadro number of mass of Avogadro number of chlorine molecule equal to 71 grams. Now the next term, which is very important term, is the calculation of number of moles. How to calculate number of moles of a substance? Number of moles. Number of moles equal to given mass by gram molecular mass. Given mass by gram molecular mass. With the help of this formula, one can calculate the number of moles. For example, number of moles in 250 grams of water. Number of moles 180 grams of water. Because this calculation is very easy. Number of moles in 180 grams of water is equal to the number of moles equal to given mass 180 grams and gram molecular mass of water H2O, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 into 2 plus 16 equal to 20. This is gram molecular mass, that is GMM of water. So 180 divided by 20. This is number of moles in it is 80 divided by 80 equal to 18 by 180 by 80 equal to 10 moles. It means 180 grams of water equal to 10 moles of water. Similarly, Similarly, 180 grams of glucose. 180 grams of glucose is given. Calculate how many moles of glucose is present in 180 grams of glucose. Then glucose is written as C6H12O6. Its gram molecular mass is equal to 12 into 6 plus 1 into 12 plus 16 into 6. Total 180. Mass, total mass is 180. Gram molecular mass is 180. Therefore, number of moles in 180 grams of glucose is equal to given mass 180 and gram molecular mass 180 grams. This is equal to 1 mole. It means 180 grams of glucose equal to 1 mole of glucose. That is why it is clear that 1 mole of a substance represents mass equal to its molecular mass. Next example. How many moles are present in 342 grams of sugar? How many moles present in 342 grams of sugar? Take the first of sugar is C12H22O11. Its molecular mass means gram molecular mass 12 into 12 plus 1 into 22 plus 16 into 11. Total 342. Sorry, 342. Then what is mole? So number of moles in 342 grams of sugar equal to given mass by gram molecular mass. This is gram molecular mass and this is given mass. So what is mole? 342 by 342 equal to 1 mole. This is the way how to calculate number of moles. This is very important topic in mole concept and stoichiometry. First of all, calculation of number of moles of any substance.